exquisite 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath home has undergone a complete renovation down to the studs, ensuring modern updates throughout while maintaining its timeless charm. Boasting solid sheeting and entirely new wiring, beautiful pine hardwood floors, and brass knobs, this residence is a showcase of both luxury and durability. The Dream Kitchen features stunning 3-centimeter quartz countertops with an expansive island that comfortably seats 12. Top-of-the-line Wolf appliances include a 36-inch 6-burner gas stove, warming drawer, microwave drawer, and 4 30-inch Sub-Zero refrigerator drawers. Also, a separate Sub-Zero refrigerator and freezer, plus there is a nugget ice maker and a Wolf vacuum pack machine built in. The kitchen has a large walk-in pantry for ample storage. A cozy keeping room is situated off the kitchen, and the formal dining room is adorned with a chandelier. The living room has a wood-burning fireplace and a large wall of windows, which provides a view of the lush backyard. The master suite includes a sitting area, wood-burning fireplace, a massive walk-in closet with shelving, space for shoes and handbags, and a luxurious master bath with quartz countertops, a makeup station, and an oversized shower. Upstairs, you have an office that could serve as a 6th bedroom. Bedrooms 3 and 4 share a Jack and Jill bath, and both rooms feature built-ins in their walk-in closet, along with ample storage and a play space in the dormer areas. Situated on a beautifully landscaped 2-acre lot, this home offers a covered brick back patio and large covered front porch perfect for outdoor relaxation. 2 on-demand water heaters and 3 separate air-conditioned units, plus a storage shed with plenty of room for your freezers. With extra rooms such as an office, game room with pool table, and bonus room, this home offers plenty of space for versatile living. Schedule your appointment today.